Hello there mga kapatid! It's me, Carmi again, and welcome to my mini vlog. And this time, nandito po ako sa Vancouver side, sa Vancouver, Canada. And pupunta po tayo, we are going to Whistler Mountain. Yung Whistler Mountain po pala ay matatagpuan siya sa Vancouver side. At kapag magmumula ka po sa Hilaga, is 2 hours driving po papunta sa Whistler Mountain. So, isa po yun sa mga bucket list namin na mapuntahan po yung Whistler Mountain dahil tanyag po siya. Tanyag po siya dahil dito po yung parang destination, one of the famous destination pagdating po sa mga tourists like skiing and then biking, mga ganyan. Madami pa pong sikat na mga activities na gagawin doon. And then nung nadaanan po namin itong park, ang ganda po talaga ng park. Ako lang ba nakakapansin in Vancouver, Canada, US or in Europe side, ng parks po nila is very beautiful. Ang gaganda. Talagang pinapahalagahan nila and well-maintained. I think kung may depressed ka, pagod ka na sa life, pupunta ka dito mawawala. O tingnan mo to, 'di ba? Ang peaceful. Kahit magtumbling ka, tumawa ka, o 'di ba? Nagawa ko nga. Magagawa mo lahat. Anyway, we continue. And then ayan, continue po tayo sa pag-drive. And din dito po, magbabahagi po ko sa inyo. Kapag pupunta ka po pala talaga ng Whistler Mountain, parang wag nyo pong itaon ng November because this time po is around November and hindi po maganda yung panahon kasi hindi po magbubukas yung Whistler Mountain kasi ang sabi daw po hindi enough yung yellow, hindi enough yung snow to magda-drive ka doon ng mga kasi ang only way to go there is yung gondola o yung cable car. Yun lang po. Ay, ito, Whistler Mountain na po ito. So, sad lang po hindi kami nakapunta dyan. Kasi nga, ayun nga po, hindi daw po enough yung snow at hindi nag-ooperate yung cable car. Kasi kung pipilitin mo na mag-snow dyan, mag-ski dyan, tapos pupunta ka dyan, wala din mangyayari. Anyway, Whistler Mountain is a prominent mountain and the world-renowned ski resort located in the Coast Mountain of British Columbia, Canada, about 2 hours north of Vancouver. Together with the adjacent Blackbomb Mountain, it is formed with Whistler Blackbomb Resort, which is the largest ski resort in North. And it is opened in 1966. The mountain offers over 8,000 acres of combined skiable terrain and 16 alpine bowls and 3 glaciers. Also, while famous for winter sports for offering hiking, sightseeing, and the Whistler Mountains Bike Park and the summer. And also, it is served as a major venue for the 2010 Winter Olympics. And do you know, originally called London Mountain, it was renamed for the whistling sound made with a local hoary marmot. It is known for having one of the longest ski seasons in North America.